Hello there, my name's Dave Allen, I'm good and geeky, and today I'm going to have a look at voice control again. I did a short video about this, but let's make a longer one and see what we can do with the commands in voice control. Have special commands to do special things. Let's go for it. So here we are in the system settings, and I'm going to go to accessibility and voice control. And in voice control, we're going to click on commands. We're going to create a few custom commands to use with voice control. The first one we're going to do is to add the markdown needed to have a header 2. Let's first click on the plus button in the bottom left hand corner of this dialog. Whenever I say monkey nuts in any application, I'm going to tell it to paste text. And the text I want it to paste is to do 2 hashtags and a space. Going to click on done. Let's go into drafts now. Wake up, monkey nuts. This is a header 2. Delete previous word. Numeral 2. Capitalize this is a header. So as you can see, that worked out very well and gave me my header 2 in the drafts application. I can use the same command in other applications such as BBEdit, monkey nuts. This is a header. I've already created a custom command called hot bananas. This works in any application and it will paste this text. There is a bug in the system here. I'm going to show you that bug now. Let's go to draft and I'll show you that bug. Okay, so here we are in drafts and let's use our new command called hot bananas. Wake up, hot bananas. As you can see, it's put in this extra character at the beginning here, which is a little bit annoying. And to get rid of that, what we need to do is to put the cursor there manually and press the backspace key. We can't tell it to put in front of this could be using voice control because you didn't actually dictate this text in there. Wake up, delete previous character, go to sleep, or if you've got your cursor there, you can just press the backspace key. And I have already reported this bug to Apple. If you come across this bug on your system, then report it as well, because the more people that report it, the more likely they are to fix it. The piece of text that you put into this could be some boilerplate text, which has got to go into whatever sort of document. It could be something that you regularly use to fill in a form. You could do this with snippets in Raycast, but it's also possible to do this with your voice in voice control, so why not? I've set up another one for the system here called the Regular Express. And what this will do is we'll open up the browser with this URL, Regular Express. It opened up in another window, but there it is. It opened up in my default browser, which is the Brave browser, which I think is the best one out there. Okay, so I've cleared all of those out. I'm going to start again. Something got messed up there, but I'm going to set up one called Rotate Windows. Plus button to get a new command. And when I say rotate windows, in any application, I'm going to get it to do a keyboard shortcut I want, which is Option, Shift and R. Let's click on Done. Wake up. Rotate windows. Rotate windows. Rotate windows. How cool is that? Let's go to Commands and create another one. Click on plus. And when I say sensitive stuff in any application, I'm going to get it to do something. I'm going to get it to open a Finder item. And the Finder item that I wanted to open is this one here, sensitive.md. Going to click on Open. Let's click on Done. And this will open up in the default application for that there. Wake up. Sensitive stuff. Go to sleep. It opened it up, but it opened it up in a different window, so I just had to drag it back up into this area where I'm doing the recording. And this is the application that it opened up in, BBEdit, and this was the text file that it opened up. That's cool. So that's a few of these different commands that you can use in this here. With the rotating windows, open this here, get it to paste in some text, and it works really well. So this is Dave Allen, I'm good and geeky. Hope you've got something from this here, and you should be using voice control. Don't bother with drag and dictate because it's not available for the Mac, and you don't really want to go through the rigmarole of getting a Windows machine or using some way of running Windows onto your Mac. Just use voice control. It's good enough. It works well and it's cheap. It's free, in fact, so go for it.